Oh, hello everyone. Today we have a MacBook to fix. This A2141 2019 MacBook 16 inches, and the customer brought in that it doesn't turn on. So here we put the motherboard and trying to take some basic readings. So we start with the PP bus and we check on the SSD rails. You're checking some bypass capacitors. We are checking the 2v5 PP2v5 NAND rail, the 5v USB, the capacitors on the backlight, the 3v and the PP2v5 NAND rail on the other side of the motherboard. So here we have a short. We have 0 on a diode reading. That's a complete short. So we flip the board just to check if there are other parts that are shorted. So there's the one side of the circuit where we are shorted. Here I'm trying to apply some flux just to remove some 2 bypass capacitors. As you can see, remove these 2 tantalum capacitors and the other 2 ceramic capacitors in between. And it turns out those ceramic capacitors were the shorted components. So now we will have to replace with the same values, and we are replacing the 2 tantalum capacitors back. So checking on our schematics for the ceramic capacitors, they are 20 microfarads and we need to replace with the same values. So now we're going to clean it up and then we will test if we were able to save another computer today. And while we wait, that's when I saw the Apple logo, and I'll just have to wait. And now it's booting into the customer's account. So glad for the customer and so glad for this repair being a success. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for today. I hope you learned something.